The mackerel curry is getting cooked today, so I'm looking forward to this. Let's have a look how it's getting cooked, and I'm gonna critique it, and hopefully the bloody chef will accept my critique and I won't be knifed in the back or something. But let's have a look at it. Let's go. So I've got all the ingredients here now. Let me show you that. Tomatoes, green chilies, red onions, garlic, ginger, and pandan leaves, I think. So the chef just added a secret ingredient. It's called tamarind. I think it makes it sour. And the mackerel is getting marinated at the moment, and it's got a whole bunch of spices on there, and I don't know what's in there, but it looks good. Well, after all that effort, I've got my mackerel curry. I'm sitting outside. It's just a beautiful day. And I'm just gonna get into it now. Got myself a beer, mackerel curry, and the chef's also made some okra. Well, I think some people call them ladyfingers. That's curry too. So I'm not gonna comment now. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna give you a critique afterwards. Let's see how we go. Looks good. But does it taste good? All I can say, guys, it is freaking delicious. I love it. I'm not a big fan of fish, but this is really nice. I'm really enjoying this. So I'm gonna get into it. Gonna have my beer, and that's the end of my saga with the Spanish mackerel. It's bloody nice. So next time when you're in a Lankan restaurant, hit up a Spanish mackerel curry, and can't go wrong. And I thought it was going to be sour, but it's not. It's actually really flavoursome. So till next time, ciao for now. And as usual, all the way with Ukraine, they're going to win this war. Ciao for now.